Jumerica! Hello, hello mga inday, mga dudong! Magandang po ng umaga sa inyong lahat dyan. And good evening. Kung gabiin nyo ito, mapanood mga inday. So ngayon pa kami nagising mga inday. Kakalabas lang namin dyan sa aming kwarto. And then yung bata batuta natin, oh, walang iba na gustong gawin. Kundi, ano dyan day? Pupunta dyan day sa kanyang laruan na bago day, oh. Asher? What are you doing? Ikaw bata ka. Shilton. Agoy, agoy. Wa na day. Yung paa nila day. Hala, basa. Umulan ba katabi day? Parang basa yung ano day. Basa yung lupa. Wa na day. Sige. Ning kamot. Ning kamot. Sige, kulot. Yung paa mo. Wa na. Madumi na yung paa mo, lot. What are you doing? Ning kamot yun siya day. Sige. Ning kamot. Ang paa. Parte kadumi na yung paa day. Gi, upo. Sit down. Agoy, nang luwa pa. Nang luwa pa. Wow, patay. Pagtarong. Gi, tarong. Ang bata natin. Ano? Hala. Yung bata, ang paa, pati kahugaw, tingin yung paa day. Sobrang dumi ng paa. Diba? Ito na yung paborito niyang laruan mga inday. Sa lahat ng laruan niya, ito talaga yung binabalikan-balikan niya. Pa, nakasusi pa, pang susi. Hinahawakan pa yung sushi. Sige, hawak sushi. Tanawa, hinahawak ang sushi. No. Ay, ginukon bataan ni. Natatakot ako na maano day, mahulog. Karong bata ka. Sige. Pindot-pindot pa. Tanawa. Tanawa, warag kurik. Hala, nangusog pa. Ikaw ron ha. Wala kag kuan ha. Wala kag true ha. Yung weather na, ala. Pip, pip. Umulan talaga siguro kagabi day. Kaya basa man to. Umulan siguro dito kagabi. Yung weather natin, maganda yung weather natin for today's video. Maganda yung weather natin. Diba? Lumabas na siya ring araw. Kukunin ko na itong mga inday. Dali, mama. Yeah! Ay, basa ang lubot ni Asher day. Papalitan ko ito ng damit day. Let's go. We gonna go inside na. We gonna go inside. We gonna go. Hi sa mga atibi. Hi. Hi, shish. Hi. Oh, shish. Day. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Taran. And then, diba? And then, ito pa yung pangatlo. And then, yung pang-apat day, nasa labas yung pang-apat na bulaklak. Diba? Tingnan nyo day, foggy talaga day. Si Bibi Kano, tulog pa din si Bibi Kano mga inday. Foggy talaga. Hanggang doon, foggy. Diba? So, pasok tayo sa loob day. Gusto kong uminom na ng kape. Habang hindi pa tulog. Hindi pa gising si Bibi Kano. Mag-inom tayo ng kape. Ay, off ko. Ay, hindi ko to i-off dahil para maliwanag dito sa sa garage. Pasok tayo dito sa ating kabilang bahay. Ouch. Yung mga bata day, tulog pa din yung mga bata day. Ako pa talaga yung gising day. Hello mga inday. Mga inday, na dito sa amin, 1 o'clock in the afternoon na. And then itong magkuya day, walang chinilas pa din si Bibi Kano. Hindi talaga yan nagchichinilas, papuntang man cave. Kailangan na mag nap time kasi, ay! Dili siya. Ayaw niyang magpahawak sa kuya niya. Kasi magluluto pa ako mga inday bago kami pumunta ng dentist ko. Okay. Today is my emergency dentist. Wala ito sa schedule ko day. Kasi nga is sumasakit na yung ngipin ko. So kailangan emergency na dentist talaga to day. Nandito na yung magkuya day. Dito na tayo sa loob. And then close natin to kasi yung aircon dahil makalabas yung aircon. Ang bata natin nagbitbit na mineral water. Ay, hindi ko na ito in-arrange dahil kasi nga matutulog naman sa nadala ko katong tuwalya. Ayaw dugawa na nagdulaan yung mangho diri daw. Ay, kinuha ng kuya yung laruan na ayaw ko aba.
My best friend.
Gahi yung ulo Kinuha talaga ng kuya niya dahil laruan ni Bibi Kano. Dinala ko nga yan dito dahil para may laruan si Bibi Kano dahil dito sa Mankid. Kinuha na naman niya. Friends! Ay, gahig ulo yan na lang dahil papatulugin ko may itong batang makulit na to dahil Hello mga inday, lalabas tayo mga inday. Of course, dadalhin ko kayo mga inday. And then, nandito na yung bata-batuta natin. Kinarga ng kanyang kuya. Ay! Come here na. Come here na, bata. Come here na. Bye-bye. Come here na. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, bye-bye. We gonna ride car. Bye-bye. We gonna ride car. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Dali na, anak. Dali na, anak. Kinuha ng kuya na day. Gisungog-sungog siyang kuya day. What are you doing? Ina-arrange siya yung niya day. Yung halaman niya day. Yung kuya. Dali na, come here na kuya. Come here. Isang bata nga gamay Ang bata nga gamay. Ang bata. You go there in your car na. Come here na mama. Babay na ka kuya. Uy, aha naman ng isa. Uy, nagbabay. Ay, nangluwa. Nangluwa, day. Ala, nangluwa ang bata. Nangluwa ka?
Bye.
Babay na ka, kuya. Babay, kuya. Aha, mananagtanaw, babay. Saan ka man tumingin? Nangluwa pa. Yung kuya niya, nandun yung kuya niya. Dali na. Biga na ride ka na. Ay, ginaw ko. Bilin ka? Bilin ka? Tumatakbo ka pa? Bilin ka? Ha? Bilin ka di ka, kuya? You stay here with kuya? Nawa na yung papa, nanay yung papa. Nanay yung papa dir. Bataa yun ni day. Ay, ginoo ko ng bataa day. Yung papa niya nandyan na. Ang bigat pa naman tong batang to day. Hindi, ilalagay ko muna to sa kanyang upuan day ha. Sobrang bigat. Nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko day. Tanga talaga day. I am tanga. Nakalimutan ko, chinarge ko kanina yung cellphone ko. Nakalimutan ko kunin. Ay, nako. 40 na talaga. Matanda na talaga tayo, day. Aminin na lang natin or i-accept ko na lang talaga na matanda na tayo. Makakalimutin na. Ay, ginunakat to namin at. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ay, ginoo ko. Nandito na yung kisawa ko dahil. Ngayon dahil medyo maaga kami lumabas kasi yung asawa ko dahil mamayang madaling araw na naman gigising dahil like 2 o'clock. What? This is simple.
Get dressed up and all ready.
Sabi ng asawa ko kanina, simple lang daw ang aming damit. At ako daw, bunggisius daw yung yung damit ko. This is simple. Really ganit. Sabi niya, aha. Oy, you the one give this dress, my love. I did to. Yeah. It's yung asawa ko ang dito dahil nagbigay dahil nung nandiyan pa ako sa Pilipinas, pinadala niya through Amazon. Sa Amazon niya in-order. Pinadala niya sa akin. Ay, seatbelt sa taray.
Yeah, my clothes were hit and miss. You know, sometimes it was usable, sometimes not.
Yeah, that's right. Ay, ginoo ko, Lord. Let's go! Bili ka no, nandiyan yung bata natin. Patingin-tingin lang. Siyang bata nga. Ay, tapos na yan naligo sa baby kano, dahil pinaliguan ko siya ng maaga. Your hair, Asher, blowing yung buhok. Let's go.
It's a problem with Democrats. They make a claim. It
Yeah.
doesn't have to be proven. As soon as they make the claim, it's just true, and that's it.
Yeah.
There's no discussing it. We've made the claim, it's true.
Mga inday, nandito kami sa ATM, day. Kukuha ng cash, mga inday. And yeah, kasi gagamit talaga kami ng cash, day. Even kung we preferred more cash yung ginagamit namin, day, kaysa ATM card. But may time naman na card yung ginagamit namin. So depende lang talaga sa sitwasyon, mga inday.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dance.
Mga inday, nandito na kami sa Sam's Club, day. Kailangan namin pumunta dito kasi nga is naubusan na kami ng meat, mga inday. Wala kaming meat. Sa Sam's Club is more, siya, day, more cheaper siya dito sa Sam's Club kaysa ibang store, basta sa meat, day. So ngayon kinuha ng papa niya sa bata-batuta. Natutulog siya kanina, day. Natulog siya kanina. He fall asleep. Sorry, papa. Oy, this is a big, huge cart.
Small footholds, though.
Yeah. Hello! Ginising ng papa niya, day. Kasi nandito na kami. No, it's still not nap time, love. It's still we are 12 already? I don't know. I think it's still 11 o'clock.
Yeah, well, he was ready to nap.
Yeah. I think because he is fresh. Wala, so guwapo. Oh, look that face. Oh, super cute. Uy! Super cute. Ang daming tao ngayon, day, dito sa Sam's Club. There's a lot of people today. Ay, because it's Sunday. It's a grocery day. That's why. Yun, ang daming tao na naglalabasan. Pasok tayo dyan, day. Pasok tayo. Pasok tayo dito. Nay, tingnan nyo, day. Walang tao na nag-drive, day. Naglilinis. Jesus! Walang tao na nag-drive. Akala ko may tao.
Yeah, it used to be somebody's job.
That's great. Yeah, I don't like that idea, though.
Those are for lighting candles.
Yeah, we have that one there in the house. Oh, we have two like that. Oh, your favorite place. Ito yung paboritong lugar ng asawa ko, day. Maraming electric fan. Hala, sige, gosh. Maraming electric fan, day, oh.
Allah.
Hello. Oh, that is nice for traveling. Is it rechargeable? Yeah. Oh, Asher will like this one. Kicking. This one, kicking. But that's a big ball.
4 boxes.
Ito, day, oh. Ano siya? 48 pieces. Ano, $11. Yan yung price. But we don't need that one, love. Let's go.
Now we got the big money.
We still have there in the house. Ito yung napili namin, day. Yan yung napili pa namin. Oh, you buy a lot of snacky. Kanawa,
Yeah, I'm
oh.
not going to the dollar store today.
We're going
Got
dollars.
enough to do.
Where is that? Okay.
You get it?
Yeah, it's $9. Sorry. $9. Malalaki yung mga ano nila dito, day, pa. Mga tinda, day. Ah, salmon
It's
na.
already seasoned.
We already, ano eh. We already... Super cute. Hi! Yes, he said hi, and then doing like that. Hi! See, there is a canon. See? See? after he say hi, and yeah! See? Ay, nabataan yun eh. $6. Uy, ang laki ng freezer nila dayo. Sa loob na, sobrang lamig. Ang lalaki. Ay, here, my love, they have cheese here. Oh my God, that's huge. $6. Ang daming mga ano daw. Asawa kong kuha niya. Oh, that's not the right one. That's not a nugget.
This is the one that Fuji likes, love.
Yeah, but that is the chicken.
There's nuggets up here.
What do you want? That one? Is that a nugget? Day, oh, taloy ito. Take si Mod, day. Ooh! What happened to your, your lips? You have a pointed lips. Hala, my love, my love. I want this one. Oh. This one. Baby wipe. We don't need a baby wipes. No. Number 6. Pampers to baby kano, day. Number 6, day. Oh, ito pampers. My love, this one, love. Number 6.
She said zoom back, Karun.
Stop. There's a people there, ba?
Come on,
Okay, quiet you, ba? You will put me in the jail. Na, sige. Sinabihan ko yung asawa ko dahil niya, dahil, quiet. Dili magsaba, dahil ba? Kay, ipadala di po nila sa dahil prisuhan. Nandito na kami sa loob, dahil. Andun yung grocery namin, oh. Loob, sa labas pala, dahil. Ang bata natin, dahil, gutom na. Asher is hungry. And mommy is hungry. And daddy is hungry. Ang daming grocery namin, dahil. Mga malalaki kasing boxes today. And then, dahil, what we call of that, ang nabayaran namin is $326. So it's around like 15, like 17, like 17,000, yeah?
What?
$326 we pay. It's like 17 to 18,000, yeah? Yeah, yan yung nabayaran namin, day. Lahat-lahat. And then, hindi pa kumpleto, day. Punta pa kami sa kabilang grocery store. Ginoo ko kamahal yun diri sa Amerika, day. Yung dalim. Bata na, Eh, kanan, mama. Yeah. Yung binili, day. Nandiyan pa sa kon. Nakalak na yung batuta natin, mga inday. And then tutulungan ko itong asawa ko, day. Ay, tapos na siya, day. Ang bilis na tapos. Tapos yung asawa ko. Ay, I'm thinking you are done already. I'll get you there.
Muffins?
Where's the muffin?
Right here.
Is it? No, not. Hold open. Hey, ito.
Good luck.
Bigyan ko si baby kano, dahil kasi gutom na.
Yeah, there you go.
Snacky, hungry bata. Oh, Asher. Mama will give you food. Food. Yummy food. Yummy. Hala. Fuck. He threw away. This is yummy. Wala na sa oras. Oh, tara. Yummy, ma'am. Ano? Nothing naman. Manyak. Uy! You don't like it, eh?
He doesn't know what he likes. Lovey just threw it away. He didn't even try it.
Uy, ginoo ko. Ako na yung kumakain, day. Ayaw niya. Mama, yummy, oh. Tapos na yung asawa ko ba? Ambot din mo bata. Aron. Just to away ha, bantay ka lang. Or little bad ha. Si Siami gani. Oo.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this
Nandito tayo sa kabilang store, mga inday. Dito sa palagi namin pinupuntahan, walang iba kundi ang Kroger. Kasi may mga kailangan talaga dahil nawala doon. So kinukuha na ng papa niya si Bibi Kano na tinatapon niya yung bread kanina. Oo. Oo. Yeah, oo. 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 Let's go na. Let's go. Let's go. You're a big boy na?
Oh, yes.
Huh?
Mama.
Big boy na daw siya, day.
Daddy's gonna get me a job next year.
Oh, patay!
Yeah.
Sabi ng asawa ko, day, ano daw, kailangan na magtrabaho. Si Bibi Kano daw next year para makatulong daw sa kanyang papa.
You want him to be behind the rest or ahead of the rest?
Ay, ganoon ko na ba? Pasok tayo dyan, day. Welcome to Flushing. Papasok kami. Let's go.
Or no?
Yeah, we are done na. Oil.
We need one?
We need oil for hair if you want. So that's all we
Okay, so
have
that
already.
we got that list.
Yeah.
Okay, now we
Ano?
what?
Food of Usher, the pots.
Oh, that's different stuff.
Ah, okay. Pots of Usher. Nag-sale sila, day. 10 pieces nito, day. 10 pieces nito is like only $6. Oh, you just get one flavor.
Two.
Two. Okay. Daming tao.
No help.
Help, no.
Help.
Tara na.
Help.
My love. I will go in the kids section, love. Maybe there's a basketball there for Asher. I want to buy for Asher basketball. Namuwi. Nalingling na yun ako ba na. My love, my hand.
It's mine now.
How I can walk.
It's when we got married, love. Yeah, that's right. That's mine.
It's yours na.
Yeah.
The day that we got married.
Yeah, give me my hand back.
How I can cook.
You threaten me with food. That's cruel.
Yeah, that's right. Mga inday, tapos na kami doon sa loob, mga inday. Ang nabayaran namin is $134. It's around like 7,000 or 8,000 pesos. Ay. And then ito lang na ang aming binili day. Ay, ginawa ko Lord. Tabang kamahalan ng Amerika. Saan na po day? Ano na yan, nagugutom na yan day. Hungry bata.
Hey, where'd we from?
Uy, my love. That is our car. Oh. Ay, no, that's not. Ha, my love. Shh. We go in the other side. Ah, oh my. We go in the other side. Dahil nasa kabilang side pala yung aming ano day. Yung aming sasakyan day. Doon kami na park. So ngayon, we need to walk. Going back there. Oo. Kailangan namin maglakad day. Ay, mahaba-haba pa naman po day. But they're selling something. bata. Yung batang nagbungkot na ako day. Ay, kailangan maglakad papunta doon day. Ay, ginoo ko. And dami pa rin nagtatrabaho dito sa Amerika dahil yung mga older people dahil mga senior citizen na dahil nagtatrabaho pa rin dahil 60, 70, may 80 years old. It's depende kung gusto mo magtrabaho. Yan lang yung kaibahan talaga dito. As long as kung gusto mo pang magtrabaho, pwede ka talagang magtrabaho dito dahil a good exercise. Exercise. Ay, give me asin na. Lagi yung bata. Ang dami. Oh, dapat nandun pa. Dito.
Store number 2.
Yeah. Ang daming nabili namin dahil.
You have no idea how blessed we are, love.
Yeah, we are blessed, love. We have food in our belly. Ang dami ta. This is like for...
This is why you see them selling.
Ano, sinabihan ko yung asawa ko dahil na kailangan ko na bang magtrabaho. Kasi nga sobrang mahal nga ano namin. Yung bilihin talaga to sa Amerika, diba? Lalo na, diba, grocery, yan yung pinaka-priority natin talaga yung sa ating kinikita, dahil grocery. And then ngayon, ang nabili namin is like, ang na-spend namin is around like, shall we say $500 dahil. Kasi 300 plus.
Love, you just spent 28,000.
Yeah, 500. It's something like 20,000, yeah? 20.
No, 25 to 30.
25 to 30,000 pesos. Yan yung nabili namin, day. Sa isang groceryhan na lang, day. Patay, ay! Sana all. Ginuko, day. Sobrang mahal talaga sa Amerika, day. Hindi basta-basta, kaya kapag may pera tayo, day, hindi talaga basta-basta nating igastos gani, day, kung saan-saan na hindi naman masyadong importante. Yung ano talaga yung kailangan natin, dahil lalo na yung pagkain, yan yung uunahin natin na bilhin kaysa sa iba na hindi naman masyadong kailangan. So maging matipid at wise sa paggasto ng pira natin, dahil Ginoo ko.
You know, if I needed to hire employees,
Malab.
so if I needed to hire an employee, I might come out here and just stand right next to the shopping cart racks. Watch the people that put their shopping carts back and how they go about it, and those that don't. Believe in
Madilim ang ano ko.
personal responsibility.
Snacky dahil cucumber at saka small carrots, and then my ranch.
It's drowning.
Sorry. I like the cucumber. I like cucumber.
Like what you said.
How very healthy ba?
Yeah, look.
You're gonna be like that too when you're 60 years old.
I'm gonna die in a flash.
What flash? What?
Just be like alive and then just gone.
Don't be like that.
No, it's a good way to go, love.
Do you love us?
I love you so much,
And then?
but I don't have the power or the keys to death in my hands.
Only God knows, but don't say anything like that. I was like,
Later on, you'll be talking about you're dying. And you want to talk about a double standard? My wife in this conversation is such a double standard.
kasi dahil minsan dahil nagsasalita
And I'll
ako
tell
sa...
her, why are you talking to me about dying? You won't let me mention the thing. Well, I need to. You have to do this or that, or. But for me, I can't talk about it.
Sabi niya dahil kasi dahil minsan ako nagsasabi lang sa kanya, kasi hindi naman natin alam yung buhay, diba? May mga matatanda, may mga bata na nawawala sa sa mundong ito, na yun ba, namamatay. And then sabi ko sa kanya, what if ako yung mauna, love, kahit bata pa ako sa'yo,
Sige, that's right.
Oh, that car is crazy. Grandma, too bad.
Oh, revoke her driver's license to put her on a fucking pedal bike.
Too bad, Grandma. You are not alone. You are not alone, driver. Ang bilis magpatakbo dahil. Ano siya, matanda na siya dahil. Pero parang siya lang yung mag-isa nag-drive sa kalsada.
Yeah, she should be pedaling.
Ay, ginoo ko.
She'd be like, but I don't want to pedal. I'm too old. Yeah, but you can't drive because you're too stupid.
And then yun, dahil kapag siya daw ang magsasalita about dying, hindi daw pwede. Okay. Ano ko siya dahil? In-stop ko talaga siya dahil. No. Kung ako daw, pwede daw.
I'm sure most people can understand me.
About what?
My English.
Yeah, that's right. My love, there is a half of viewers and then she asking what Kuya Austin said. I think that is lovely. People commenting on my YouTube.
Kuya Austin's sometimes a little bad. A little nefarious.
Yeah, that's right. I think all of us. You know?
Oh yeah, for sure though.
Let's go.
I believe in the extreme though because I
Kain tayo mga inday. Kain tayo. What? Gusto pa daw niya dahil na French fries dahil French fries ka din kan. Ano yan oh. Sige. Papahala pa lang, mutapin.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. In this sweet air I sing softly. The world is bright. La 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 la. Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la.
It's here, Asher. Come here. Mama. You want to drink? You drink first ayaw niya. Butbuot yun siya. Oh, tanawa day. Butbuot siya. Lakaw day. Tigi. Siya rin nakuan. Tanawa. Oh, we are here now. Bata, oh. Butbuot nila. Sige na, ayaw sana. Nagtabangi sa dito. Pinatulong ko yung dalawa kong anak day.
That's it, everybody working together. I like it.
Yeah, I like it. You put here in that one. Diyan lang ibutang. Ito lang sa salog, friends. Good job, friends. Ang bata natin, ito yung ginagawa.